Hello, in front of me I have ROGBID S2 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this watch. Before we start, if you want to measure, or rather if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your blood oxygen levels, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here at the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now, let's continue with the measurement. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can wake up the screen by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe right on the screen to open the menu, and then you can tap on this icon right here to open the list of icons. And here, find the blood oxygen icon. It looks like this, O2, the green O2 icon. Tap on it to open the blood oxygen or SpO2 widget, and here we can measure the blood oxygen levels. So I'm gonna put my finger on the sensor, and then we can tap on this icon right here to start the measurement. Oh my bad. Tap on the icon, and let's wait for the results. Remember to try to stay still while you're measuring the blood oxygen levels. And after a couple of seconds, you should have your results. You can also swipe up right here on the screen to see the graph from the whole day, or from last 7 data records, my bad, not from whole day. And that's about it. After you're done measuring your blood oxygen level, you can press the crown button to close the widget. You can also swipe left on the home screen to open the list of favorites, and here you can swipe left until you find the plus button, and then you can scroll down through the list and add the blood oxygen widget to the favorites, so you can open it quite quickly by just swiping left on the screen. Okay, and that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.